Hey, I'm Beck, Head of Creative at ARIE, and if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for art into a real career, but felt stuck when it comes to the business side, you're not alone. That's exactly why we created ARIE Academy. Our course, The Business of Art, is designed for artists who want to make a living doing what they love. Think of it as business school, specifically for artists.
This just gets their feet wet, but I'm also not being too salesy about it.
We've built this to take you from working away in your studio to selling your work internationally, getting into galleries and securing collectors. This course is packed with real-world advice from our ARIE artists.
Already looks more like it would hang in a gallery.
Who've been where you are and found success. They'll teach you how to balance creativity with business know-how so you can thrive without burning out. And I'll be guiding you every step of the way. Let's take a look at what you'll get inside. Celia, whose work has taken her across the globe, will guide you through building a strong brand, mastering social media, and handling commissions like a pro.
Generally, people are really reasonable about this. Other times, people are not, which is why I include this.
Peter, who started out by posting his work on Instagram and now flies around the world putting on shows, will teach you how to level up your art practice, from choosing quality materials to balancing creativity with business smarts. Claire, who went from social media to solo exhibitions and partnerships with major brands, will take you behind the scenes of planning and running a successful show. Christine, a decade-long veteran of the art world who sold out collections and balanced it all with motherhood, will show you how to navigate the art market, from understanding key players to pricing your work confidently.
One absolute no-no is
Sophia, ARIE's in-house graphic designer, will teach you how to create a cohesive brand identity, which you'll be applying to a website and all of your marketing materials. You'll also get access to a bespoke digital workspace full of strategies, templates, and resources tailored to guide you through every aspect of building your career. This isn't just another course. It's a roadmap for turning your artistic dreams into reality. By the end of the course, you'll have a professional brand and online presence that attracts buyers, a clear pricing strategy that ensures you're paid your worth, confidence in selling, negotiating, and marketing your work, a plan for balancing creativity and business so you can grow sustainably. At ARIE Academy, you'll also be part of a supportive community of artists who are serious about success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, this course is built for you. Join us at ARIE Academy today and let's make your artistic dreams a reality together.